The first chart presents EURGBP. Currently, the immediate resistance is near 0.8275, while the immediate support level are around 0.82247. Give the price action. This level books favorable for potential sellers. A pullback entry is also an option with a stop loss placed above 0.8275. Our target 0.82247. The second chart presents EURNZD. Currently, the immediate resistance is near 1.86030, while the immediate support level are around 1.83561. Give the price action. This level looks favorable for potential sellers. A pullback entry is also an option with a stop loss placed above 1.86030. As for our target, we are looking at 1.84633 and 1.83561. The third chart presents EURUSD. Currently, the immediate resistance is near 1.04584, while the immediate support level are around 1.02165 and 1.03051. Give the price action. This level looks favorable for potential sellers. A pullback entry is also an option with a stop loss placed above 1.04584. Our target is 1.02165 and 1.03051. The fourth chart presents US30. Currently, the immediate resistance is near 44,723.4 and 44,131.1, while the immediate support level are around 43,032.6. Give the price action. This level looks favorable for potential buyers. A pullback entry isn't possible by keeping the stop loss. The fifth chart presents XAUSD. Currently, the immediate resistance is near 2080.90.52, while the immediate support level are around 2070.89.5 and 2080.33.01. Give the price action. This level favorable for potential sellers. A pullback entry is an also option with a stop loss placed above 2080.90.52. Our target is 2080.33.01 and 2070.89.51. Our last chart presents US oil. Currently, the immediate resistance is near 72.0658 and 71.1372, while the immediate support level are around 69.0015. Give the price action. This level looks favorable for potential buyers. A pullback entry is also an option with a stop loss placed below 69.0015. As for our target, we are looking at 72.0658 and 71.1372.